Summer, severe summer is burning your money. Finding life hot and boring? Need some comfort? Or not just comfort, but cool comfort. Introducing the new Mission Series air conditioner for you. With the non-intrusive hidden display, Mission will keep your peace of mind undisturbed. Its curved design utilizes every line to its full potential, bringing simple elegance and beauty to your living space. Mission sports a simplistic exterior design. It is our motto that less is more and less is cooler. Mission features a diamond-cut outdoor unit looking sharp and tactful, featuring a nail-free front design with its powerful functions and durability to keep you hassle-free. Say hello to the Arctic Fox remote. While large buttons give you intuitive control at your fingertips, the large screen offers you detailed information in one glance. Its ergonomic design offers you a nice grip. Simply press the Eco Mode button to activate the programmable Eco Mode for 8 hours and save up to 60% additional energy. With the Do Not Disturb function, you'll be able to rest peacefully and quietly without being disturbed by the light and sound from the Mission. Want to connect your Mission to the internet? It's easier than you'd think. First, you need a Mission Smart Kit. Then, connecting Mission to the internet is as simple as plug and play. This turns your smartphone into much more than a mere remote control, but with more for you to discover. And this is the very definition of power at your fingertips. With it, setting a low to high temperature range to save energy has never been easier. Mission comes equipped with a dual filter. The HD filter prevents dust from coming through, while the Catalyst filter eliminates bacteria. Double the filters, double the purification, giving you clean air all around. With the louver position memory function, Mission will remember your favorite louver position and automatically adjust to it the next time you turn it on. Smart, isn't it? Each of Mission's features is designed to ensure simplicity, efficiency, and safety of operation. Midea continues to expand its global operations with the scope of a global brand. 5 continents, 162 countries. One mission is cool comfort. Midea.